YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. So today's another RC video. Got my Mr. B swag on. He done a new video, a $40,000 diamond or a $100,000 check. It was cool, man. He does a lot of cool stuff. I love Mr. Beast. If you guys don't know who Mr. Beast is, you're missing out. He does epic videos. He makes a lot of people happy. He helps channels grow. He's just a legend. I mean, he's young, but he is a legend. He's way younger than me, and he inspires me greatly. I want to do a lot of the same stuff that he does with his channel on this channel, except more with hobbies, and I just enjoy making people happy, you know. Anyway, enough of that. So today's video, I got my Arrma Notorious. I finally got it fixed up. It's running, ready to go again. And the main thing I wanted to test out was I got my Insta360 Go on there. So we're going to compare cameras. Basically, I want to compare these cameras and see which one has better looking footage. So I got a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I got a GoPro 5 Session. And then I got the Insta360 Go. And we're going to try each one of them on the truck and see which one has better looking footage. So this thing runs on 6S. It's pretty much stock. I broke a few parts and upgraded them to the hot racing parts, but nothing drastic. For the most part, it's stock. But it's a good running truck, and I got my ramp here out front. I can't really leave because I'm home with my kids this weekend, so we're just going to kind of take it out bashing out front here and do some camera testing. So without too much rambling, let's get on with it. Here we go. Let's go see which one of these cameras has better footage. All right, guys, here we go. So we got the Notorious. It's already on and ready to go. The first one we're going to test out here is the Insta360 Go. And we're just going to be driving it around just kind of normal. We're not going to do any jumps yet on this try. We are later on in the video, but for right now, I'm just going to see what the footage is like just cruising around. Just kind of bashing and having some fun to see how the footage looks. So here we go. Let's roll that Insta footage and see what it looks like. guys, that's gonna end the Insta footage. So let's get it turned off and then we'll switch to another camera. All right guys, now I got my GoPro Hero 5 Session on there. So now let's check out what that footage looks like with the Hero 5 Session and see what we think about that footage. Here we go. All right guys, that's gonna end the Hero 5 Session footage. Now let's try the Hero 7 Black. All right fam, I got the Hero 7 Black on there. And I got a little screen, a little lens guard on it. Let's bash around with it and see what this footage looks like. Here we go, Hero 7 Black footage. Thing wheelies like crazy, guys. That's fun. You can just ride a wheelie all day. Yeah, baby. Make sure to let me know down in the comments whether you like the footage from the Insta better, or the GoPro Session better, or the Hero 7 Black better. I'm trying to figure out which camera you guys like the footage from the best. So here we go. Let's hit a few jumps with this camera and see how it looks.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun, so I can be there. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing. The drink I could go for some Queen Bee too. This is going. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. It's just another Friday paradise. So bring your A-game. Don't you know this party won't stop? We can never run out of time. Sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. This is going. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. Up in here, got that DJ playing music, everybody wants to hear you. It's getting kinda crazy up in here, everybody wants a ride in the water slide. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. Take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. Water slide.
Well guys, the battery went dead on the truck. So yeah guys, the battery went dead on the truck before I was able to jump with this camera or this camera. But you guys have seen me jump with those cameras before, so I think it's good enough test footage. You guys let me know down in the comments which camera you like on the trucks better. The Insta360 Go, the GoPro Hero 7 Black, or the GoPro Hero 5 Session. Let me know. I'm trying to figure out which one looks better. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you do, drop me a like. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.